Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? What is the best screen resolution and ratio for YouTube video? 16:9 is the normal ratio, but you can upload, I upload vertical as well as horizontal. Because on the mobile, when you click on that vertical video, it literally fills up the whole screen and it looks really, really well. So we make two versions and we upload both of them, and YouTube allows you to do that even though it's the same video. They've never said it's a duplicate content. The best resolution, well, 1080p. I mean, you can go higher, but I think this is an overkill for what we are doing. We're not creating a Hollywood blockbuster.